In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a video black and white in DaVinci Resolve. This is a very quick and useful effect, and it's perfect if you want to create a more dramatic, timeless, or cinematic look in your footage. The good news is that in DaVinci Resolve, turning a clip black and white is incredibly simple, and you can do it in just a moment once you know where to look. To begin, make sure your video clip is already imported into your project and selected on your timeline. Once you're ready, go to the Color tab at the bottom of the DaVinci Resolve interface. This is the section where you can control the overall look of your footage, including brightness, contrast, color balance, and saturation. After you open the Color tab, look for the Saturation control. Saturation determines how much color is present in your image. When saturation is high, the colors appear vivid and intense. When saturation is lowered, the colors become more muted. If you reduce it all the way down, the color is completely removed, which gives you a black and white image. Now simply adjust the saturation value to 0. As soon as you do that, your video will change from full color to black and white. That's it. This is the fastest way to create a monochrome effect in DaVinci Resolve, and for most basic edits, it's all you need. As a helpful tip, after setting the saturation to 0, you may want to preview your clip and see how the black and white version looks with your lighting and contrast. Even though the color is gone, elements like shadows, highlights, and overall exposure become even more important in black and white footage, so it's a good idea to check that everything still looks clear and balanced. If your image looks a little flat after removing the color, that's normal. Black and white footage often relies more heavily on contrast and tonal separation to stand out. But for the actual black and white conversion itself, all you need to do is go to the Color tab and set saturation to 0. So whenever you want a quick black and white effect in DaVinci Resolve, just open the Color tab, find saturation and bring it down to 0. It's simple, clean, and very effective. That's how to make a video black and white in DaVinci Resolve.